Think you're on track for a comfortable retirement? Here's a wake-up call. Over 40% of Americans risk running out of savings early, and 50% haven't saved enough for basic living costs. Without a solid plan, you could be one of them. In this video, we'll provide a 2024 blueprint to help you avoid that nightmare. We'll cover essential steps to ensure you're not left stranded, especially Step 5, often overlooked but crucial for achieving financial freedom. If you want a reliable retirement, stay tuned. Let's begin with number 1, understanding your retirement needs. To plan well for retirement, it's important to understand what retiring comfortably means. For most people, this phrase means having enough savings to pay for basic needs, such as housing, healthcare, food, and fun activities. A good rule of thumb is that retirees usually need about 70 to 80% of their income before retirement to keep living the way they are used to. To start planning for retirement, first, estimate your monthly expenses. Create a detailed budget that lists all your necessary costs, like rent or mortgage payments, groceries, utility bills, transportation, and any other regular expenses. Don't forget to include money for hobbies or trips you want to take. This budget will give you a clear idea of how much money you will need in retirement and help you figure out how much you need to save over the years. Also, think about the lifestyle you want in retirement. Do you want to travel often, move to a new place, or try new hobbies? Each of these choices can change how much money you will need. By taking these steps, you can better prepare for a secure and enjoyable retirement, allowing you to live the life you've worked hard to achieve. Number 2, maximizing your income sources. When it comes to improving your retirement savings, it's important to look into different ways to earn money, even if you have a low income. Here are some effective strategies that can help you increase your financial stability. Part-time work or freelancing. One of the easiest ways to boost your income is by taking on part-time work. Many retirees find joy in jobs that keep them active and connected to others. Whether it's working at a local store or offering services in your neighborhood, part-time jobs can provide both financial and emotional benefits. Additionally, freelancing online gives you another flexible option. Websites for freelancers let you offer your skills and expertise, helping you earn extra money on your own schedule. Rental income. If you own your home, renting out a room or part of your property can be a smart move. Platforms like Airbnb make it simple to find short-term renters, and this can lead to a significant boost in your monthly income. By effectively managing your rental space, you can enjoy a steady flow of cash while providing travelers with a comfortable place to stay. Social Security benefits. Planning for your Social Security benefits is essential for maximizing your retirement income. It's important to understand how these benefits work. If you start receiving Social Security before your full retirement age, your monthly payments will be lower. On the other hand, waiting to claim your benefits can greatly increase your monthly payments. Take a close look at your financial situation to figure out the best time for you to start receiving these benefits. Number 3, smart savings strategies. When it comes to building your retirement fund, using effective saving strategies is essential. Here are 3 simple ways to help you secure your financial future. Emergency fund. Start by creating an emergency fund that should cover 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This fund acts as a financial safety net, ensuring that unexpected costs, like medical bills or car repairs, don't mess up your retirement savings plans. Having this cushion lets you handle surprises without using credit cards or taking money out of your retirement accounts. Retirement accounts. Make the most of retirement accounts like an individual retirement account, IRA, or a 401k. If your employer offers a 401k with matching contributions, be sure to put in enough to get the full match. This is basically free money that can boost your retirement savings. Plus, these accounts often come with tax benefits that can help your money grow faster over time, since you usually won't pay taxes on your contributions until you take them out in retirement. Automate your savings. Think about setting up automatic transfers to your savings or retirement accounts each month. By automating your savings, you make it easier to put money aside regularly without the temptation to spend it elsewhere. This method simplifies the saving process and helps you build your retirement fund steadily, often without even noticing the difference in your budget. Number 4, living frugally and smartly. Living frugally can play a crucial role in shaping a successful retirement plan. By adopting smarter financial habits, you can stretch your savings further and enhance your quality of life in retirement. Here are some practical strategies to consider. Downsize or move. One of the best ways to cut costs is to think about moving to a smaller home or relocating to a more affordable area. This can lead to big savings on housing expenses. Not only will you lower your mortgage or rent, but you will also reduce utility bills and maintenance costs. By prioritizing a comfortable yet affordable living situation, you can free up more money for other retirement needs. Cut unnecessary costs. It's important to regularly review your budget to spot and remove unnecessary expenses. Take a close look at recurring costs like subscriptions, dining out, and entertainment. While these may seem like small treats, they can quickly add up over time. By making small changes such as cooking at home more often or choosing free or low-cost entertainment options, you can significantly increase your savings. Use community resources. Many local communities offer helpful resources and programs that can assist retirees. Take advantage of these services, which may include healthcare help, food assistance, and housing support. And then local organizations often provide access to essential services that can help you maintain a comfortable lifestyle without spending too much money. Lastly, we have number 5, creating a solid plan. To ensure a secure and enjoyable retirement, developing a solid financial plan is essential. Here are 3 key steps to help you in this process. Set realistic goals. Start by defining what a comfortable retirement looks like for you. Think about factors such as your desired lifestyle, travel plans, and healthcare needs. From there, set achievable goals based on your current budget. Having clear, specific objectives will help you stay focused and motivated as you work towards your retirement. Review regularly. It's important to make checking your financial situation a regular habit. Schedule periodic reviews at least once or twice a year to assess your progress. During these reviews, look at your budget and savings goals, adjusting them as necessary to reflect any changes in your life. This proactive approach will help you stay on track and make smart decisions about your retirement savings. Seek professional help. If you find the planning process overwhelming, think about consulting a financial advisor. These professionals can provide expert advice tailored to your unique financial situation. They will help you create a personalized retirement plan, ensuring that your goals are realistic and doable. Working with a financial advisor can significantly boost your confidence in navigating your retirement planning journey. If you're looking to secure your future and enjoy a comfortable retirement, remember that planning is key. From understanding your needs to finding smart ways to save, every step counts. Don't forget to check out our next video, Top 5 Investment Strategies for Retirement, that no one talks about. It's packed with tips you won't want to miss. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button.